Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my Lego Set Explorer project. In this recording, I'll walk you through the steps I took to create this interactive Power BI dashboard. So I started off things with the handling the raw data. So I began by cleaning up the data. For example, renaming the columns, ensuring that they have the correct data type, removing any kind of duplicate values or empty rows, and so on. So I've done a bunch of cleaning stuff here before I started with the visualization process. Also, I added some important fields, like for example, some calculated fields like age range, and price range. Going to the visualization itself, I began also by looking at the theme. So I've chosen an accessible theme so that it fits a wide range of people. Things are presented for clarity so that it's try to organize it as best as I can so that they are aligned well, they have proper spacing between elements, and so on. So I have also here like I've added the table for the data. I've added the like total sets, or like the data itself, the numbering of the sets based on the theme. And also you can drill down the data here. For example, you can enable the drill down and go to licensed item and see how the data is broken down. Going back to the data, I enabled also the image tooltip. So for example, when you're hovering over any of the items here, you can see preview based on the link URL that is provided within the data. I've added here a couple of filters. So for example, I have a slicer here to give me the exact average price, not pieces, so that the average price doesn't exceed this number. For example, let me arrange sorry, not the age, the price. So the price here doesn't go over this limit that I've set here within this slicer. Okay, so here we have, yeah, from any number, any kind of number that is not above 655. We can filter the data based on anything here, like based on the theme or age group. You remember the column that we've just created here, the age range. We used it here to filter the data. So after you've done your own filtering, and perhaps, yes, just a second, like for example, you've selected architecture, you've selected the range of the age, and everything is fine. If you'd like to clear the filter right away, you can just click reset filters. There's also a decomposition tree, so you can go to this page that I've created here. Okay, it's just loading. Okay, we need to go there first without clicking on anything. Okay, fantastic. So here we have also a way of showing the data. We're breaking down the data, like for example, that's the sum of pieces. Now here we go to the theme group and we can drill down the data in another way. So for example, model making, we have here the different themes within the theme group. I can go like through architecture, and also we have the broken down of the sum of pieces for each one of these items. That's it, guys. I'd like you to give me any feedback you have for this report, anything that can be improved. Appreciate your feedback so much. Thank you for watching this video.